So hello, welcome. Um, so ating gagawin ngayon is sa general network attacks. Exercise number 1 on path attack. So ating first task is to spoof the ACI BC01 MAC address. So step 1 is to connect to ACI WIN11, which is ito. And then on the search bar, open natin si CMD. Okay. Then type ARP space dash 8. Enter. Okay. So, observe natin yung MAC address labeled the physical address in the ARP cache, no? Physical address, ARP cache for for ACID 01192.168.0.1. Ito yun. So, ito. In this instance, so this is the MAC address that will be spoofed. In this instance, the MAC address is 00155 DEACE46. Okay? Dito yon. Ayan. Please note the MAC address can vary from the one shown in the screenshot. Okay. So, in the taskbar, right-click natin tong monitor icon and select Network and Internet Settings. Now, sa settings ng Network and Internet window, select natin yung properties para sa Internet 2. Okay. And then next, lang natin yun. Select unidentified network. Okay. Okay. The selected network adapter will be used to demonstrate MAC spoofing. And so, physical address MAC, nakalagay dito. 0155 DEACE47. Tingnan natin kung same sila doon. Nope. No. So, ito yung sa atin. So, in the network and internet pane, select network and internet to go back one page. Now, in the settings, network and internet window, select natin yung advanced network settings. And then, sa advanced network settings, select more network adapter options. Okay, and then right-click natin ito ang Ethernet 2 na adapter and then select properties. And click natin tong configure. And sa advanced, punta tayo sa advanced. Tapos, ito sa property field, hanapin natin yung network address. Select natin yan. Okay. So, the network address settings allows user to configure the MAC address of the network interface, facilitating MAC address spoofing. Now, dito sa ating Properties Advanced tab, select the radio button next to the empty value field, which is ito. And then, i-type natin yung MAC address. Yung naka-display sa ating step 2 output, which is yung makikita natin dito sa ating command prompt. Baba lang natin siya. Okay. Baba lang natin siya para mapagkopyahan natin. Sumobra. Okay, ito yung type natin. So, 0015. Liyahin lang natin yung kung paano tinite. 5D 94 BC EC. Okay. And then click OK. Yun. Okay. So, pwede na natin i-close yung network connections na window. And then, dito sa ating network and internet advanced network settings, select natin itong internet 2. And sa advanced network settings na to, select view additional properties. Okay. Observe daw natin yung physical address or MAC address has been changed to spoof. The 192.168.0.1 MAC address. Ayun. Ito, nag-change na siya. Then, close na natin yung settings. Now, let's close the CMD or command prompt. Next, exercise 2 ARP poisoning. Ating first task is to configure Bettercap. So, connect to ACI WIN11, which is dito pa rin tayo, and then open natin ulit si CMD or command prompt. And then type natin ARP space -A, enter. Then, sabi dito, observe there is a unique MAC address associated with each IP address on the 192.168.0.3 interface. Okay. Yan. So, next step is to open, connect tayo sa ACI ALMA. In activities menu, select natin yung password muna. Select natin yung terminal niya. Then, type down natin to sudo space docker space run space -it space --privilege space space net equals host space Bettercap. Enter. Okay. So, password for ACI and the admin. Second password. Error invalid reference format. Is a process of waiting deploying ISS. Ito pa. Ulitin natin. Sudo docker run space -it space --privilege space net equals host space Bettercap. Enter. What? Sudo docker space run it privilege Ito pa. Sudo. Tama na kanina. Lumabas na siya eh. Nivelation. What? Ulitin nga natin. So, sa taskbar, okay. Kailangan natin kumonek dito. Okay. Select natin. Text na natin muna ito. Okay. Sa taskbar, select CMD. PRP. Select natin. PRP. Okay. Then, balik tayo sa ACI LMA. Then, select terminal. Then, sa terminal, type natin sudo docker run /it double dash ev space double dash space net equals host better cup password course password. Ayaw lumabas ng letter comp. Bakit? Sudo. Tama naman. Ito ba? Mali. Okay, tama na. Kaya pala. Net host. Kailangan make sure natin na tama lahat ng tinatype natin. Sudo docker run space -it IP space double dash privilege space double dash net equals host space better cup. Yun. Okay. Okay, type natin net that go on. Oops. Okay. Okay, this command enables network discovery by actively probing and identifying active host on the network. So, balik tayo sa ACWIN 11. So, open natin si Wireshark. Okay, and then double click the Ethernet adapter. Then, sa apply display filter, type natin ARP. Enter. Okay. So, sabi dito, observe the broadcast ARP inquiries originating from ACIWIN 11. This is BetterCap conducting network discovery and is the result of turning on the BetterCap network. So, in Wireshark, select the red square to stop capturing packets. Okay. Then, balik tayo sa ACI ALMA. Now, sa terminal window, sa may BetterCap prompt, type the following: net.show, net.show, enter. Okay, sabi dito, this command displays a real-time list of hosts and devices currently detected on the network, along with relevant information such as IP and MAC addresses. Observe the MAC address of the 192.168.0.4 ACI ALMA at 0 interface. This is the MAC address that will be used in the ARP poisoning attack during task 2. So, ayan. So, sa IP 192.168.04, ayan, ito. Sa ito interface, okay, ito yung MAC address. Gagamitin natin sa ARP poisoning attack during the task 2. Itong 00155D94BCEB. So, in the BetterCap prompt, type down natin net.probe off. Okay? One moment. Mm-hmm. 01. Then, enter natin. Leave the devices in their current state and proceed to the next task. Okay, task number 2 is to launch an ARP poisoning attack. Step 1, go to ACLMA where the terminal window is open. In the terminal window, on the BetterCap prompt, type the following: set ARP spoof that targets space 192.168.0.3. Enter. Now, note, this command identifies ACIWIN 11 as the machine whose MAC address will be spoofed in the ARP poisoning attack. Now, in the BetterCap prompt, type the following: ARP.spoof on. Then press enter. Now, observe the BetterCap output that the ARP spoofer has started. ARP spoofer started. Okay? So, punta tayo sa ACIWIN 11. In Wireshark, select the blue shark fin icon to start the packet capture. Ito yon. In the unsaved packets, pop-up window, continue without saving. Now, observe the ARP packets advertising a MAC address for IP address 192.168.0.250. These are spoof ARP replies that result in ARP poisoning associating the default gateway IP address 192.168.0.250 with the attacker IP address 192.168.0.4 and providing the attacker an on-path attack position for communication to the default gateway. So in the taskbar, select natin si CMD, si command prompt, then type natin ARP-8. Press enter. So observe that there are two IP addresses, 192.168.0.4 and 192.168.0.250 that both share the same MAC address. Itong dalawa yan. Okay. And close the command prompt. Close the Wireshark. Quit without saving. Then balik tayo sa ACI LMA. Then type natin sa terminal sa Buttercup prompt ARP.spoof space off. Enter. And now we can close the terminal window and close terminal. Next, exercise 3, DNS poisoning. So ating task is modify the host file. Step 1 is to punta tayo sa ACIWIN11 and then open CMD. Now, sa CMD, type natin ping space guitarcenter.com. Okay, and then open natin tong file explorer. So ating file explorer, type natin dito sa may search bar. Kahit hindi na. Punta tayo sa this PC. Click. Then, type na nga lang natin. This PC /C Windows system32/drivers/etc. Sa local DC. Okay. Sa Windows. Sige, manuhin na lang natin. Mano. System32. Then, drivers. etc. Right-click on the host file and select Edit in Notepad. Okay, in Notepad, add the following host file. One two 127.0.0.1 space guitarcenter.com. Okay, 127.0.0.1 space guitarcenter.com. File, then save or Control S. Now, let's close the notepad window. And let's close the file explorer window. And sa ating command prompt, type natin ping guitarcenter.com. Yan. So, makikita natin, di ba, yung ping results are now 127.0.0.1, not the guitarcenter.com server. Okay, so close the prompt window. Next. Oh, let's see.